Hey guys, if you are having a problem where YouTube tells you to verify yourself every time you log into your account, don't worry, I have a really easy and simple solution for it. You just have to delete your browser history data. Go to your browser history settings, then click on Advanced. Check all of the options and click Clear Data. Now let's restart our browser. Let's see if the problem is fixed or not. Log in into your account. You can see the problem is 100% fixed. Now you can use your YouTube without any problem. If you have any other problems, comment below. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more problem fix videos.